Hey Ewans, welcome back to my channel. It's Winnie BLV, Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro, just this ho. Okay, guys, I have waited all summer. Yes, and this bag right here that I'm getting ready to unbox for you, oh my gosh. It's like a unicorn bag because I refuse to do it again. I refuse to pay full price for a Coach bag and then watch it go on sale. Okay, so I will say I got this bag from Zappos. Thanks to Tana, who gave me the heads up on Instagram. Thank you, girl. Oh, I am so happy you told me about this sale. If you are a subscriber, you know that in my community post, I put this on there last week, and then I was like, I have to have it. I have to get it. So also thanks to the collab today is with, yeah, it's a mother effing collab with my friend and yours, Jane Church. Love her channel. She's been taking it easy this summer, but she's getting back into the swing of things. And what better way than to buy our dream Coach bag? I mean, this bag, seriously. I bought this bag in the bigger size. I gifted it to my daughter-in-law, but I only bought it because it was on sale. And I wasn't going to carry it because it was too big, and I really wanted the smaller size. Zappos had it. I will tell you about my scent of the day. Oh, here it is. Yes, it is Juice Box, which is use and abuse. Girl, I don't know the notes in this, but it is really good. It's kind of weird though. I actually found this on eBay, or was it Mercari? One of the selling sites had it in a travel size, and I don't think I've told you about this one yet. But it's kind of like really orangey and citrusy, and I think that's been my signature go-to this summer. Yeah, and then it kind of cools down and dries down into something. Yes, like musky, which I don't know why, but every single one I've told you about really has. This has a lot of good notes in it. I just at the moment don't really know what those are. But I can tell you that I like it. It's from Juice Box again, and it's called Use Abuse. Okay. Anyway, moving right into my bag of the day is, I don't even have it in here, but it is my Marc Jacobs backpack because you guys know I've had to go back on site and I need to carry everything because they don't let you have an assigned desk anymore, you know, because of COVID. So you just have to go in there, find a desk, work out of your backpack or your bag every day, then pack everything back up, take it home. Yeah, it is a pain, but the price you have to pay, okay? Anyway, all right, let's get on with this. Thanks again to Tana, and thanks again to Jane Church for actually asking me to collab with her because she got this bag except in another color, and I was torn between two lovers. Earrings of the day, Amazon specials, I'll link them. Aren't they really cute though? They look like little halos, right? Huh. Also, I keep prolonging it. I have really bad bed hair. Don't pay any attention. I also have bedroom eyes to go with it. Oh, that's what she said. Okay, here we go. I'm going to go ahead and just do it because y'all already probably know what this is. Zappos is having a big sale. If you're watching this on Saturday the 27th, this sale goes on until tomorrow, Sunday the 28th. So get on Zappos. I will link it down below. I'll link the bag and then I'll link Zappos in general so you can get over there and find all kinds of Coach stuff. I can't even talk. So you can find all kinds of Coach stuff on sale. There we go. Okay, girl, no frills, no boxes, no ribbons, no nothing because this was on sale. This was, I want to say 30% off, which I just saw this in a department store last week. It was still full price, or I would have grabbed it then, but I at least got to see it before I bought it, and that never happened. So I'm very excited. Of course, I got the pink. I was torn. So Jane got the green one, the key lime. It's beautiful. I went back and forth, put them both in my cart, and I was like, I can't have them both. But girl, it is the, oh yeah, Pillow Madison in the 18 size. Look at her. Just look at her. Oh my God, just look at her. Retail on this $3.95. Not today, biatch. No, ma'am. I'm going home with a discount today. I'm so freaking excited though. This, I guess it's not lambskin, but it does feel, it's called Petunia. The color is Petunia. It feels like lambskin. Guys, you guys, I don't know. I really don't know. But I think it is just a, like the tabby was in that same Napa calfskin, right? Oh my God, it is so beautiful. Oh, the little turn lock. Girl, you had me at hello. It's very Chanel-esque to me. I don't know why, but it does have the chain, the linked chain, which, you know, that's a copy right there, isn't it? But ooh, I'm very excited. The trash all around, but look inside of this. I just want you to look at it. Oh my gosh. It's got like the brown leather. It's suede inside. And, or well, actually it's microfiber. I always say suede, but I never really mean suede. The top though, the inside of this is leather with, and it's got like gold, like an antiqued gold finish on the hardware. Oh, I love it. It's got the brown Coach patch in here, story patch or whatever. And then it's got, there's three little card pockets. You could fit 3 little cards right here on the front where the clasp is. Oh my gosh, guys, I am super friggin' excited about this little bag. I can't even tell you. It's almost like I don't know, like I won the lottery. Listen, when Tana told me about this, I was like, what? I was like, beesh, say less, and went right on there. I mean, it is giving me all the vibes. I'm telling you. This Coach bag is giving me all the summer girl vibes, and it's still summer for a little while. I know we all want to get into fall, but not before I carry this little beesh. But you know what? I don't play that. You know I don't. I'm like, no. I might carry this all year. I mean, because it's not specifically, I mean, because they released it for summer, it doesn't really make it a summer bag. I mean, I was born in the fall, but does that make me a fall gal? Wait a minute. I am an autumn gal. Yes, autumn and fall. That's, woo, I love it. Okay, but anyway, you can do the chain like this and shoulder this little beach. Hi, hey, it's Barbie Pink time. What's up? Or I can be too cool for school. And, oh, she hits me right. I thought she wouldn't because she was so small, but she does. Holy I am so, have I told you I'm excited? Let's teach. Okay. All right, I am going to pull the chain. That's what she said. I'm going to pull this thing's chain. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, you can pull it inside. That's another thing. But yeah, check it out. Let me put it inside the bag and I will give you an autumn spin. Are you guys ready for this? Okay, as Winnie says, basic human right, it does have a slip pocket in the back, a little pocket for your phone and whatnot. I don't know. I didn't even bring my phone in here. That's how unprepared I am today. I've got my little babies downstairs. They're in from out of town. I have a funny video at the end that is my little Charlotte. She's learning words. Hilarious. You know, first words they learn are no, and she's got that one down pat. But anyway, I don't want to spoil it. At the end, check that video out. So yeah, I just thought I'd come on here and collab with my friend Jane today. She's going to show you this in green. She's also going to do a what fits. So that is something you'll want to see. I can't be bothered. No, I just have so much stuff going on today. I'm just going to bow out and let her do that. So I'm going to link her channel down below If you have not subscribed to her or me, please do, because I link stuff in my community tab, in my community page or whatever on YouTube, and that way you have access to things that if you're not subscribed, you can't see it, girl. What? Please subscribe, will ya? I'll give you a second. Go ahead. Okay, thank you. You guys are so sweet. Thank you. I appreciate that. Also, subscribe to Jane. And thanks for coming by. Next week, I promise I'm going to do some sort of haul that I've been hoarding up since July. I know, a whole month. Ugh, bother. I think that's, isn't that the first day? Wednesday or Thursday. I'll do it the first day of September. Backtracking all of my purchases. That'll be a fun video. I promise. Come back and see me. Comment down below. Hit the like, subscribe. You already did that, so that's cool. Stick around for my little video at the end. And remember though, girl, if y'all see my husband, ooh, don't tell him nothing. Bye. Night night. Night night. Can you tell me night night? No. Okay. Girl, I got that bed head. Where else you gonna get it, right? Am I right, biatch?